Good morning, students. Welcome back to Botany class. Today we are going to start with the that is family Myrtaceae. Okay, the family Myrtaceae we are going to start. Third cell in that Myrtaceae. So Myrtaceae are the large family actually, and according to different scientists, Bentham, Hooker, they placed this family. Okay, so according to different scientists, as you know, we have studied different phylogenetic as well as Bentham, Hooker's, Engler, Prandtl, right? So in that first thing, that is Bentham and Hooker. Okay, Bentham and Hooker, dicotyledon, and next under dicotyledon, this family comes under Polypetalaceae. In that again, the series they have made, that is called Disciflorae and Myrtales. It was coming under Myrtales. And England and Prandtl dicotyledon, Archiclamidae, Myrtaflorae. Whereas Hutchinson dicotyledon, Lyconosae and Myrtales. So these are the different position they kept by the different scientists. Coming to the distribution. Okay, let us see how many distributions are there in complete, that is in the India as well as in the world. So in world, if you take, there are 120 genera. In 120 genera, 3375 species are there. Whereas particularly if you take in India, 14 and one more 165. 120 genera, 14 genera comes under India, and out of 3,375, 165 species are seen in India. And the next one, coming to the, and these are grown especially in Eastern Indian side, and examples for this. If you take the examples, guava, gum tree, okay, cloves, etc. Okay. Next, these are some example, well-known examples you can see here. Okay, next one. Let us see after distribution. Next, coming to the vegetative characters. Vegetative characters. So vegetative characters, members of this family, trees, or you can take the shrubs with aromatic fragrance. Okay, they are members of these trees. They are showing the herbs, their shrubs are there, and they are aromatic fragrant. They are very well smelled. Fragrant. The species eucalyptus are giant trees attaining the, and these are very huge tree. Leaves are opposite or rarely they are alternate also, and Inflorescence, if you take, so inflorescence they are inflorescence. So in case of inflorescence and flowers, so these flowers are axillary solitary. Okay, they are axillary dominant character showing the axillary flowers, axillary branches of the flower, and they are solitary. You know the meaning of solitary? And so example cydium are arranged in racemose also. Okay, these are solitary, axillary, as well as what? These are axillary, solitary. The flowers which are going to be arranged, they are solitary and they are showing the racemose. They are showing the racemose character. Got it? Next. Next one. In heads and spikes or in cymes or in Tristania, it is cymes, cymose, it is showing cymose, and in Barringtonia, it is showing racemose. Understood? Next, flowers. If you take particularly flowers, flowers are so what will be the flowers? Flowers, as you know, the flowers are coming inflorescence from the axillary bud means the flowers also grow from the axillary, and these are having bracteate is present, bracteate along with bracteoles. Terms you have to know, terminology you have to know, bracteolate and hermaphrodite actinomorphic. These are showing actinomorphic. Okay, sorry. Bisexual means hermaphrodite. Okay, we are using symbols also. And the next one, these are penta, tetramerous. Tetra, pentamerous. Epigynous flower. Epigynous. Okay. Epigynous means all the floral parts will be above and the ovary part will be below. Okay. Gynoecial part is below. All the floral parts are above. So it is called epigynous. Next. And some degree also shows the perigynous, they are telling. Calyx, next one. So next, after the flower arrangement, next we will see calyx. Okay, next is calyx. So calyx, the flower, the first two whorl which are called calyx. Usually the calyx are green in color, having 4 to 5. Okay, 4 to 5 sepals. 4 to 5 sepals which are usually free. They are not joined. Okay, they are free in case of sepals. Okay, and Eugenia more or less they are, in some they are united and in some they are free. Okay, and after this eucalyptus and some species of Eugenia, calyx. The aestivation is valvate. Okay, these are showing the aestivation. The margins are usually, if they are attached like a wheel, continuous, then they are called as valvate aestivation. Okay, valvate aestivation, and the sepals are often persistent. okay, on the fruit. Okay, in several species, eucalyptus sepals are inconspicuous or sometimes they are absent also. Next, coming to the corolla. Same as calyx, corolla number also will be versatile. That is 4 to again 4 to 5 petals. 4 to 5 petals are present which are free here. Okay, these are free or sometimes they are united. So eucalyptus are some species of eugenia. You can take petals are sometimes absent. Okay, if the petals if they are absent, especially in the eugenia, the petals are absent. Okay, they are absence of the petals. Example, you can see stamens. Next coming to the corolla, next coming to the stamens. Next is stamens. So stamens are few here where 10 or few free stamens are present. How many here? 10 to few stamens are seen. Nearly how many stamens are present? So nearly there are few to several, that is a 10 or few free stamens are present in one series. Okay, one series. Mostly stamens are very numerous but free or some are united in bundles opposite to the petals. Okay, opposite to the petals they are united also, some are showing free stamens. Numerous stamens, free, united. The next one, the filaments are bent inwards. The filaments of the stamens, if you take, the filaments of these are bended, means they are bent inwards. They are bent inwards. Okay, and they are connected to the connective is a glandular at the tip. They are connected to the glandular at the tip. Okay, and anthers are usually versatile, dithecous. Okay, versatile as well as dithecous and dehiscence by longitudinal slits. Longitudinal slits you have seen. If this is an anther, the longitudinal slits are present. Through the grains start dehiscensing. Okay, the pollen grains start releasing or dehiscensing. And dithecous and dehiscence by longitudinal slits and or open next. After androecium, next we will discuss about the gynoecium. Next, gynoecium. Gynoecium is two okay, seen carpels. So several carpels will be present inside the ovary. That is, in the carpels are ovaries are many and artha. So when how they will come to know? The question arises: how we will come to know that carpel is single, or carpels are two, or they are three, okay, or they are many? If you dissect the flower, different flowers are there in your surrounding, right? Very simple, take a blade, and take the transverse, not transverse section, longitudinal section you have to cut straight. The ovary should be cut into half. If you cut open the ovary, you will see very best example is rose. Take a rose, cut along with ovary, half, make it half ovary, and inside the ovary you can see many ovaries will be there, many ovaries like this. There are many, this means they are independent. Many ovaries, so many carpels will be present. They have its own ovary style stigma. Ovary style stigma will be present. So you have to go through. So here also, in this case, gynoecium part is 2 to several carpels are present. 2 to several carpels are present and they are showing syncarpels means, for example, one flower I'll tell you like hibiscus, it will be like hibiscus but they are hybrid. So inside you can see the ovary, three ovaries are joined there. Okay, they will be joined and forms. They are all syncarpous. Many ovaries come and join at a common point. So they are showing the syncarpous. Apocarpus is free, syncarpus is fused. Okay, and with the inferior ovary. Okay, with the inferior ovary having many locules. Inside them, many chambers will be present. Okay, in the number of carpels. Next, many ovules, locules, placentation. If you take, they are showing the axial placentation. They are showing axial placentation. What is the placentation? The arrangement of ovules inside the ovary is called as what? Placentation. So rarely the ovary are unilocal, but majority of them of gynoecium are showing what? They are showing the syncarpus and ovules, locules and placentation. Next, the style is one and the stigma is simple. Style is only one and stigma is very simple. Next, the ovary is crowned by the, so the ovary is covered. The ovary is crowned there and next coming to the gynoecium, next coming to the fruits. Fruits and seeds. So the fruits are loculicidally and septicidally, dehiscent capsule or sometimes indehiscent woody, fibrous, fresh or in the form of berries also. So you have to know what are these fruits. Fruits are loculicidally and septicidally, dehiscent capsule, berries, fleshy berries, or they are woody or they are fibrous also. Seeds, if you take, seeds are showing, seeds are non-endosperm, showing non-endosperm. Sperms. They are showing the non-endosperms. And the embryo is curved spirally twisted. The embryo, if is present, spirally they will be twisted. It is twisted. Got it? Next. Floral pollination and dispersal. pollination, how these pollen grains are taken from the anthers and then to the stigma. That is called pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma is called as pollinations, right? So in case of pollination and dispersal, so flowers are pollinated by insects. Okay. Usually if you see the flowers are pollinated by the insects. Okay. So especially maximum in all they are using the insects only which visit the nectars and they will take up the fleshy disc crown of ovary taken by the fleshy disc crown which are present in the ovary. And the species of callistemum and conspicuous stamens are pollinated by some species, particularly callistemum. Callistemum, they are transferred by the birds. Okay. Next, dispersal of the seed, wind or through the eucalyptus winged testa by birds and animals also. Next, coming to the floral formula. Floral formula. The floral formula is written as bracteate, bracteole, actinomorphic, bisexual, corolla 4 to calyx 4 to 5, corolla 4 to 5, androecium will be infinite, and gynoecium also will be inferior, showing 2 to infinite. This is the floral formula. And next, coming to the economic importance. Coming to the economic. Next, economic importance. So here economic importance is very valuable here. So valuable in case of what? What they are used. They are importance are in first timber. They act as edible fruits, cloves, gums, resins, and some grown in garden in the form of ornaments. Or in the form of ornaments. These are the economic importance. So timber, economic one by one we will discuss now. Economic importance like timber they are growing here. Several species, some examples which are growing here. Wait a minute. Timber. Timber, eucalyptus. Examples are eucalyptus is one example. Syzygium. Then example, Melaleuca yield valuable timbers. These are the different examples. Okay, these are the different examples which are acting used as a timber. Okay, means for the different for maintaining this economically, etc. Next, Myrtaceae are grown in a garden trees. Examples for the so they are used as a fruits. For best example, guava you can give here. Okay, guava is one of the example which is used as a fruits. Cloves are used as a what that is a spices, and in the form of ornaments if you take. Okay, best example for the ornamental examples. Ornamental example Callistemum. Callisti means bottle brush examples, and Mitas eucalyptus. All these examples which are grown in the form of ornamental, and some are grown in the form of gums, some are grown in the form of fruits, resins also. Resins are those which will be secreting the milky secretion from the plant. That is called as resins. Okay. Next one will be medicines if you take. So some medicinal plants are also present. So some medicinal plants which we can give the seeds of these are medicinal. Okay, Eugenia is one of the plant which acts as a medicinal and useful for treating diarrhea, dysentery, okay, diabetes also. Understood? Especially Jambolona, Eugenia Jambolona. So they are used to treat the mouth washes also. They are used for diabetes, diarrhea, and dysentery. And one more example is Melaleuca cajaput tree. It is used as a medicine in laryngitis and bronchitis treatment, athletic and reduced toothache. It is valued for mosquito repellents also. Okay, this is used for the what? That is so both example you remember medicinally Eugenia and Melaleuca. Eugenia for the treatment of dysentery, for the treatment of the diabetic patient, mouthwash also. Yeah, Melaleuca is also used for the mouth aches, bronchitis, or any other what different laryngitis, and also it is used for the athletic and relieves the toothache also. Okay, so these are the medicinal value seen by the this particularly by the and medicinal you have eucalyptus oil also. Eucalyptus oils are also used for the as a medicines, especially for the respiratory disorders. For the respiratory disorders. Other uses if you take. Okay, other uses if you take these the buds, seeds are used for medicinal. Okay, the stem are used for the timber, and one more we have that is mm, the unopened flower buds of the Sensrigiums flower buds, which is not opened, aromaticum and or the cloves of the which is highly flavoring, used as a spices. Okay, because of this aromatic and all. Next. So coming to the floral diagram. So coming to the floral diagram, Syzygium, Cuminelli, the floral diagram, one more floral diagram, vitals. So these are the two floral diagram. One which is taken as a food also, as a, in the form of fruits, and one more. Myrtaceae is one more example. So you can see the arrangement of the floral diagram having the two chambers. Okay, ovules arrangement can be seen, and we are seeing the ovary number of carpels. Okay, number of carpels are suspended in the one locule. They are united, and you can see here androecium, infinite androeciums will be there. Here also infinite number. So first ovary, okay, it is suspended in the complete this, and after that number of anther filament, that is androeciums, are infinite, and one anther is between the carpels as well as in the petals. And arrangement of petals, if you see, one is twisted, and here one is irregular. Imbricate aestivation, you can see here. There is an imbricate aestivation, and calyx. Calyx is showing valvate aestivation where the margins are attached. These are bracteates. Bracteate means outside the calyx, one more bracteate is present. So this is shown. So this BR, the symbol, technically we are writing BR. So bracteate, this is indicating the mother axis. Okay, same way if you see in this Myrtaceae example, see axial presentation. Okay, axial presentation you can see here. Okay, pentamerous or tetramerous or trimerous, ovary will be present. Chambers are three or it may be more than that. And if you see the androecium, this is gynoecium. Outside it is androecium, infinite number of androecium you can see. And in case of corolla, so corolla you can see these are